Starting in 3, 2, 1. You can peek off with a quick start. They've got 4 cubes in their collection. Electric outlets and all get some cubes off the post. Pika lifts up. They get 6 cubes into that goal. Electric outlets for production ready. Pika grabbing some real greens, getting ready to score. That's a lot of greens in their system. Electric outlets trying to do that so they get to the mark. So we get 35 seconds to get now switch. Pika with some other cubes in their system. Let's see if they can score. 25 seconds to get now switch. Pika looking to score. There's a lot of cubes. Electric outlets for a full mark. Get out of the last 15 seconds. Let's see how the last minute scoring. Pika with a ton of cubes. 10 seconds left. They get 6 cubes over the goal. Can't they make the market time? Can they do it? 5 seconds left. High scoring match. 278 for opportunity. We have 198 over the Eagles and 198 for